Car repairs get expensive, and most of us don't have the spare money for them. That's where brands like K-Seal can really be a lifesaver. We have a shop car that's worth about $800, and we found it was using a gallon of coolant every 2 weeks. A test showed an internal coolant leak, probably a head gasket by the model's history. Repairs would cost about $2,000 and 2 days of shop time. It's easy to do that math, but the car is really nice and still safe, and we weren't ready to buy another one. From our past experience and our listeners' stories, we poured a bottle of K-Seal into the radiator, topped off the coolant, and went for a test drive. After we got back and the car cooled, we checked the level and added just a tiny bit. We continued to drive the car home for about a week, checking coolant daily, and by the next check, the level never dropped. The leak was sealed. That was 6 months ago, and it's still holding. In this case, K-Seal turned a coolant leak casualty into a cash saver. Find K-Seal at automotive retailers everywhere and get more information at kseal.com.